Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 24, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayon January 24, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Wednesday, January 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 24, 2024 Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 43 million pesos for Wednesday, January 24, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of January 24, 2024 Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.